And for you.
Oh, wonderful. All right, all right. Let's keep this show rolling. Ladies and gentlemen, you've seen him on Def Comedy Jam many times. Y'all give it up for my man, Reggie Warrington. Give it up, give it up.
Watch me! Watch me! I got it. Watch me!
Oh, yeah, he sure is animated.
Hey!
What's up? I said, what's up?
Hey!
Women be shopping, baby. Women be shopping. Damn, you can't stop a woman from shopping, baby.
That's true. Women do shop.
See what we got in here tonight? Oh, my God. She's unbelievable. Look at this. Look like a handful of curly fries. Look at Hey, look at this white dude right here. Look at white dude like, oh my, what is a wave exactly? Oh no. No. Baby, no. She got more extensions than AT&T.
Excuse me, I'm gonna go this one.
Oh, boy, I'm
Sorry about that, man. Let me pick that up for you.
It's a full moon tonight. I think I found where they hid Jimmy Hoffa.
Yeah, that's a good one there.
Oh, boy, you got more crack than Harlem. Look at that. Boy, so fat every time I turn around, it's his birthday. You gotta put his belt on with the boomerang.
Okay, all right, man. All right, that's it. You got me.
Oh, no. No, I ain't got you yet. Should I get him? Should I get him? Oh, look at this. Is with a woman, too. Oh, no. Who is sucking whose titties over here? Last time this brother felt a breast, it was in a bucket of KFC. Extra crispy. Every time it goes to SeaWorld, they pay him. He must be on that new diet, Slim Slow. We go outside with the red shirt on, all the kids in the neighborhood say, hey, Cooley. Yeah, man, I bet I cut his bad ass open and bleed chocolate milk. What would you do for a Klondike bar? Now we know what's eating Gilbert Grape, don't we?
Thank you for dinner tonight, Sherman. That was very sweet.
You're welcome.
Look, that comic tonight, he was... Sherman, you are a brilliant man.